Trading futures and spot on Bybit Mobile offers a convenient way to manage your cryptocurrency trades anytime and anywhere. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of opening and closing a position, making it easy to trade on the go. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest content. First things first, you'll need to open a Bybit account if you don't already have one. You can download the Bybit app from your App Store and follow the simple registration process. Once you're signed up, make sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. When signing up, be sure to use my referral code, B5QJY or 18499. This code will give you 20% off all your trading fees on Bybit, saving you money on each trade you make. I'll also leave the referral code in the description below, so don't forget to use it and take advantage of this great offer. After creating your account, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency from an external wallet or buy crypto directly through the app using your credit or debit card, or even via a bank transfer. Once your account is funded, you're ready to start trading. Bybit offers two main types of trading, which are spot and futures. In spot trading, you buy or sell cryptocurrency at the current market price, and once the trade is completed, you own the asset. Futures trading, on the other hand, is a bit different. Here, you predict the future price of a cryptocurrency without actually owning it. You can either go long if you believe the price will rise or go short if you think it will fall. Futures trading also lets you use leverage, allowing you to trade with more capital than you have in your account. Keep in mind that while leverage can amplify your profits, it also increases your risk, so it's important to use it wisely. To start trading, open the Bybit app and navigate to either the Spot or Derivatives tab, depending on the type of trade you want to place. In the Spot section, you'll see a list of available trading pairs. Select the pair you wish to trade and choose either a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, where you specify the price you want the trade to be executed at. For futures trading, head to the Derivatives tab. Here, you can choose a contract you want to trade. Once you've selected your contract, decide whether you want to go long or short based on your market outlook. You'll also need to choose your leverage, but be cautious with this, as higher leverage increases both potential profits and potential losses. Once your trade is open, you can monitor it in the Positions tab. Here, you'll find all the details of your active trades, including your entry price, current market price, and your unrealized profit or loss. This is a great way to keep track of how your trades are performing in real time. Bybit also offers risk management tools that are essential for protecting your trades. You can set stop loss and take profit orders when opening or managing a trade. A stop loss order will automatically close your position if the market moves against you by a certain amount, limiting your losses. A take profit order ensures that your trade closes once your profit target is reached, locking in your gains without you needing to constantly monitor the market. When you're ready to close a position, whether in spot or futures trading, the process is simple. In the spot market, you can sell the asset at the current price or set a limit price. For futures trades, you can close your position by going to the Positions tab and selecting the trade you want to close. Always be aware of the liquidation price in futures trading, as this is the point where Bybit will automatically close your position if the market moves too far against you, resulting in a loss of your margin. Once your trade is closed, you can review the details in the Order History section. This feature is useful for analyzing your past trades and learning from both your successes and mistakes. Over time, tracking your trade history can help you refine your strategy and improve your trading skills. Bybit's mobile app is designed to make trading easy and efficient, whether you prefer spot trading or futures trading. With features like leverage, stop-loss orders, and an intuitive interface, Bybit offers the tools you need to trade confidently on the go. And don't forget, if you're new to Bybit, use my referral code B5QJY or 18499 to get 20% off all your trading fees. It's a great way to save money while you trade. The code is also in the description below. Be sure to also give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because there are more tutorials on the way.